Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Aries placements. Okay, so let's see kung ano bang meron. Outcome, mga ganyan. Next action ni person. Mga ganyang bagay. Bago mag-end ang May. Okay, so hanggang end ng May itong reading. So, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating po sa ating mga items. Okay? So, protection from evil eye, love bracelet, granter, and yung ating cord cut. Okay, so nandyan sila lahat. They're all available. Pero si granter is made to order po. Okay, made to order ang ating granter. Yes. Okay, let's start. Let's see ano bang situation ninyo. Tingnan natin. Situation ng mga Aries in love. Okay. Let's see. The Hermit. Oh, sino na-ghost dito? Sino na-ghost? Some of you might be dealing with a Virgo. Mayroong na-ghost dito. So, kung hindi ka na-ghost, then tingnan natin sa ibang sa ibang spread. Anyway, so ang nakukuha nating energy is somebody na pwedeng na-ghost. Meron ditong nag-i-stalk. Or somebody is like sabihin nating humihingi ng kasagutan or kalinawan. Somebody is talking here. Okay, kung bakit parang ganyan, may naghahanap dito. Two of Swords. Sana walang option. This is option. Ano tong Two of Swords na to na naka-reversed? The Four of Cups. So, ang nakukuha kong situation, merong biglang umalis, or pwedeng ikaw inalisan ka, hindi mo alam kung bakit, dumisisyon ng isa, nang hindi mo alam kung ano bang meron, and ikaw itong parang, kailangan ko ba siyang hintayin? Or, nandito yung parang energy na parang, nadidepress ka na, nasasad ka. Okay? Kasi syempre, iwan ka ba naman nang wala man lang pasabi. So, tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari. Will they reach out? Or magparamdam ba sa'yo itong taong to bago mag-end ang May? Let's see. Strength. Okay. The Three of Cups, Universe. Oh, pwedeng meron dito talagang ibang involved. That is why, okay, some of you kasi kaya hindi ito nagpaalam or hindi ito nagparamdam na bigla kasi pwedeng may iba. And isang dahilan din yun, sabihin nating way niya yun para makabalik siya if ever, kung gugustuhin man niya. Okay? Tsaka lang siya magpapaliwanag sa pagbabalik niya. Parang ganon. King of Wands, Universe, this person is, sabihin nating a player. They're a player. They're not serious pagdating sa'yo, if ever. So, kung ikaw itong naghihintay na pwedeng mag-reach out ba itong taong to bago mag-end ang May, hindi ko nakikita. Okay? The Seven of Pentacles, Universe is a time waster. So, anong outcome nyo nitong taong to bago mag-end ang May? The Empress, okay, and the Justice, Universe. So, ikaw, kung may anak ka, may anak kayo ng taong to, sabihin natin, may iwan siya na mga kung anong responsibilidad. Okay, so, andyan yung para magiging single parent ka muna. Okay, so, hanggang end of May. Hanggang end of May lang naman to. So, wala medyo talagang makasarili. Hindi pala medyo makasarili lang talaga yung person mo. So, sabihin natin andyan yung confusion, andyan yung kung ano man yung mga pwedeng issue na pumasok sa utak mo. Ang sinasabi rito, Just be the Empress. Ito yung Justice Universe. Ito yung mga issue. Kung makikita mo, hindi siya nakatingin dito. Hindi siya nakafocus dito. Mas maganda, ang focus nito is sabihin natin kung ano yung dapat. Okay? Kung ano yung importante. Yes. Kasi kung ikaw, magpo-focus ka sa kung ano man, yung mga wala naman dapat, pag-aksayahan ng oras, pag-aksayahan ng energy, wala ding mangyayari. Ha? Wala ding mangyayari. Masasayang lang lahat. Okay? So, tingnan pa natin ano pang meron. Situations ng mga Aries pagdating sa kanilang mga kakonek. Anong situation ninyo mga Aries? The Three of Wands in reverse. The Tower. This is somebody who is healing. Meron ditong energy na parang sobrang tagal na nung hiwalayan. Okay, we have here the Four of Wands in reverse, the Star in reverse. So it's like this is the right timing. This is the right time to heal. Parang ganyan, and start new, start fresh. The Page of Wands in reverse. No? Kung ikaw itong parang sobrang tagal naman na. Okay, sobrang tagal naman na nung nangyaring separation, then kailangan mo na i-face kung anong mga dapat. Tingnan natin. Ano bang emosyon ng person ngayon, current, pagdating sa'yo? The Chariot. Okay, itong taong to is nagmo-move on na. So, you better, diba, na mag-move on na rin. Okay? Yeah, the Ace of Cups in reverse. Wala na ako nakikita ritong pagbabalik from them. May nakuha kong energy. I don't know if that's 7 months. There's this something significant around the number 7. January, March, April, July. Mga ganun. Anything. Yan. Number 7 could be significant. Okay? Pagdating sa inyo, nitong taong to. That's specific, not for all. Yeah. Okay? So, or pwedeng 7 months na kayong ang hiwalay. Lalo na kung 7 years, no? Oo. But you better talagang mag-move on na. You better move on. Anong outcome? Anong outcome? Or advice? Okay, the Six of Wands. So, sabihin natin success is coming pagdating sa'yo. Success, victory. Kasi kung hindi nga, para madidelay to, may chance ma-delay yung Six of Wands mo. Yeah, the Knight of Pentacles in reverse. So, it's like minamadali ka na. It's like, hoy, aba, parang hoy, gising. Sino nakaabot nun? Sino nakaabot nun? Oo, nang hoy, siguro nga, naabutan yun. Ako nga, naabutan ko eh. So, yeah, the Three of Swords is here. Some of you may parating na bago. Okay? May parating. And this is something or somebody na pwedeng this is it pansit. Oo. Sobrang layo sa energy ng taong umalis or yung taong parang, yeah, nawala. Okay? The Magician. So, may namamanifest dito. May namamanifest. So, yeah. Sayang naman, no? Kung hindi kayo mag-heal. Start healing. Ngayon pa lang. Dapat nga, dati pa eh. No? Dapat dati pa. So, tingnan natin. Aries through Pisces. Yeah, this is ano lang, short, brief reading. Okay. Aries through Pisces. Aries, they're not available. Some of them, hindi na sila okay. Pagdating sa reconciliation, some of you, there could be third party involved. Taurus, no good cooperation. Sabihin natin may mga misunderstandings na rin. The Gemini, they're overthinking, they're stuck. thinking of you maybe. Cancer. Sabihin natin meron na sila like bagong pinupursue sa ngayon. Or some of them, there could be focusing more on their finances and their business whatsoever. Like, yeah. So, Leo, merong gustong makipag-ayos na Leo, or sabihin natin they're trying to fix kung ano man yung mga kailangang i-fix. Virgo, they're a liar. Yeah, some of them talagang may sabotaging energy coming from this Virgo. Libra, okay. So, si Libra, may chance na sabihin natin may malakas na energy regarding positive. Okay, kung ano man yun, I don't know. Pwedeng may malakas na pull pagdating sa kanya. Scorpio, they want to take a break. They want to take a break. Sagittarius, a time waster. Capricorn, there could be legal matter, legal issue with this Capricorn. Some of them, they're too afraid to take charge, to take over kung ano man yung mga dapat ayusan or kung ano man. Okay, Aqua, may chance na bumalik si Aqua. Hindi pa sila nakaka-move on from you. Pisces, they're too focused on their work. Okay? Pwedeng ginagawa niyang busy yung sarili niya para hindi kanya maisip. I think. Okay? So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Aries placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter nasa description box below. Okay? Yung kanyang link. Thank you. Goodbye.